Hello everybody, let me introduce myself. My name is Mutamima and this is my friend Ami. Ami, please say hello.
Hello guys.
Okay, we will continue our next video about...
Yes, I know we are talking about animal in Bali culture.
Animal? What's wrong with animal in Bali culture?
Don't you remember, Ima?
I think no. Can you tell me?
Oh my God, Ima! Didn't our friend Mila and Grena explain about animal in Bali culture?
I remember, but I don't think I can remember the detail of their explain.
It's okay, Ima. Let's hear it with you.
Well, Wanda, I hear you're opening a restaurant.
Yes, you come here to teach your cooking, Wanda.
Yeah!
Oh, please come in. Please sit down here. Here's the food menu, guys. You can see it.
Thank you, Wanda.
Yeah, you're welcome.
We want to know the special menu for today.
Yeah.
What is the special menu for today?
Okay, well guys, today's special is rendang. The rendang is a spicy meat dish which originated from the Minangkabau ethnic of Indonesia, and now is commonly served across the country.
Wow, it sounds good. We want to give it a try. What about you guys? Oh, yes. Oh, go away. Sorry, it's not that. I don't want them today. But in my religion, it's forbidden to consume this food. Yeah, it's true. Balinese people don't eat beef. Really? What's the reason? Can you explain to us?
First, cow. People in Bali are mostly Hindus, and they are forbidden to eat beef. It's religious thing. Why cows? Because cows are considered helpful in human tasks and provide the necessary milk for human needs. 2. If one still wants to use cow's milk and energy, they were forbidden to kill them.
Oh, I see. I'm so interested and curious about the animal in Bali culture. Can you explain more about it?
Second, pig. Many Hindus will keep the pig. Pig is also used in traditional ceremonies as pork roll. So, Balinese consume pork. In Balinese, pig is called celeng. And pig leg is called kucit.
And then? I'm sorry, I can't remember the rest. Okay, I will explain it. I also live in Bali.
Third, dog. Yeah, dog is a loyal animal. And in Bali, in general, dogs as pets. Bali people keep more than one dog in their home. Dogs in Bali language called cicing and puppy called konyong.
Wow, that's interesting.
So guys, are you ready to make your order now?
Well, see. What do you think, guys? We have come to an agreement. Oh, yeah. We decided to have a chicken with vegetables and sambal.
Okay guys, wait a minute please. Your order will come soon. Okay?
Okay. Well, Ima, have you never taken conversation?
I'm trying to. Thanks, Ami.
Oh, you're welcome. Well, guys, now we have already known more about Balinese culture, and we believe you have already understand it.
Great. And we believe you will never stop to study about Bali culture to complete your knowledge, and we are very happy because we can accompany you to learn together about Balinese.
So, this is the last of our video, and we thanks for watching it, and we are so sorry if certain mistakes we have made and in our pronunciation or anything else. And see you!
Bentar, ayo niru.
Second, pig. Many Hindus will keep the pig. Pig is also used in traditional ceremonies as folklore. So, Balinese consume pork. In Balinese, called celeng. And piglet baby, sayang. Gini ininya.
Today's special is rendang. The rendang is
Lagi Wanda langsung nyambung gitu.
Itu pertama kali